What if I told you there's a plant sitting in Walmart and garden centers across America that can repel mosquitoes better than the active ingredient used in most commercial bug sprays? And what if that plant costs about $3? For decades, millions of people have spent money on mosquito sprays, bug zappers, candles, and expensive yard treatments. Yet most have never heard about the natural compound that researchers found could outperform DEET in laboratory tests. Today, I'm going to show you what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to dramatically reduce mosquito problems around your home. But first, let's talk about why mosquitoes keep finding you. Most people think mosquitoes randomly fly around until they land on someone. That's not true. Female mosquitoes are equipped with incredibly sensitive chemical sensors. They can detect carbon dioxide from your breath from surprisingly long distances away. Every time you exhale, you're essentially broadcasting your location. They also track body heat, skin odors, and chemicals like lactic acid. That's why many common mosquito solutions don't work as well as people hope. Citronella candles only affect a small area around the flame. Bug zappers mostly kill harmless insects like moths and beetles. And chemical yard sprays often need repeated applications throughout the season. Now here's where things get interesting. The secret weapon is a compound called Nepetalactone, found naturally in catnip. Yes, the same catnip that makes cats go crazy. But to mosquitoes, catnip has a completely different effect. Instead of simply masking human scent, Nepetalactone interferes with the mosquito's ability to process the chemical signals it uses to find you. In simple terms, it overwhelms the insect's navigation system. The mosquito can no longer effectively track carbon dioxide, body odors, or other cues it relies on to locate a host. Researchers studying catnip discovered that this natural compound showed remarkably strong mosquito-repelling properties, making it one of the most promising natural repellents ever tested. So how do you use it? The easiest method is catnip essential oil. Mix about 20 drops of catnip oil with 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of dish soap in a spray bottle. Shake well before use. Spray it around patios, decks, fence lines, shrubs, and outdoor sitting areas. You can also make a personal repellent by mixing 10 drops of catnip oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and applying a small amount to exposed skin. Always test a small area first to make sure your skin doesn't react to the oil. But here's the most important thing most people miss. Repelling mosquitoes only solves half the problem. If you have standing water nearby, you're constantly producing new mosquitoes. A female mosquito can lay hundreds of eggs in water as shallow as a bottle cap. So take a walk around your property. Check flower pot trays, bird baths, clogged gutters, buckets, tarps, pet bowls, and anywhere rainwater collects. Dump the water, clean the containers, and eliminate breeding sites whenever possible. For water you can't remove, products containing BTI, commonly sold as mosquito dunks, can help stop larvae before they become biting adults. Combine source control with catnip-based repellents, and you've created a powerful 2-layer defense system against mosquitoes. If you found this helpful, leave a comment and tell me what's worked or failed for you in the battle against mosquitoes. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video on mosquitoes. Hate this! The Vicks Vapo Rub hack you need to try.